welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a holochrome and Sharpie design. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to use gel polish. So you can do this on natural nails, or you can do it with gel polish base, or you can use acrylic as well. So you can do it part of an acrylic design. And then after curing it in the lamp, I'm going to come in with a top coat that's going to leave me a tacky layer after it's cured. So remember, for normal chromes, it's non-tacky, but for holochrome, it's got to be a tacky. It might be a good idea to do what I do and save a bottle that's just for holo. And then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to come in with a fan brush and I'm just going to pat the holochrome into the black and brush at the same time. So pat and a brush, pat and a brush. And then when I'm happy that it's all in the right places and it's quite compact and pressed down, I'm going to come in with a really soft duster brush. It's like a makeup brush, like a big blusher brush. Just make sure it's really soft so it doesn't scratch it off of the surface. And then come in with a layer of top coat to seal it in. It's up to you whether you use the non-tacky or a tacky. Just make sure if you do use a tacky, remove the tacky layer when you're done, because that's what you need to work the Sharpie marble on top of a nice smooth surface. These are the colour Sharpies that I'm using for this design. And the first thing you need to do is just colour in random parts of the nail. Go down a little bit, make another blob, and then come in with your next colour and put blobs, and just blob your colours all over the place. Mash them in together. Make sure when you're doing this as well that you're not getting it onto the skin when you're doing it on people. Because remember, it's a permanent marker. And then you are going to come in with a small brush, clean it off in your isopropyl alcohol, make sure there's nothing on the brush, and then you dip it into the isopropyl alcohol and dab the surface. Watch, dab, and then onto the nail. Tap, 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 tap. Clean it off, into it again, dab it off, back onto the nail. And you just keep going, but let it dry. Don't keep adding the alcohol to the surface while it's still wet, because it'll just puddle all together and it'll just look crap. So just give it time to actually dry out in between each tap, just watch it disperse. And then when you finish with it and you're happy, you need to wait until it's fully dry, all dried out, all the isopropyl alcohol is gone and the ink is fully dried, and then you can put your top coat on, but only when it's dried. If you don't wait long enough, when you apply your top coat, you will drag the colour down the nail, and yeah, one big splodgy mess. And here I am coming in with the layer of top coat to seal it all in. So, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you want to see. I'll leave all the links below as I always do, and I will see you in the next one.